Ba-da-ba-ba-bum. Why the fuck does this not work? So, um, be right back. Did this shit disconnect? Alright, this shit is loading up, I suppose. Alright, let's go. We are back in this bitch. And, alright, basically, I am here live. So, get ready. This soldering iron is trash, so I will put this to the side to the other one. Both of them are shit, useless. Alright. So, what do we do here? Let me get this trash. Not the best here either. Okay, and I need to use. This is the Millennium Falcon here. Pretty heavy. If they, yeah, he fucking. Yeah, whatever. So he will be like here. Right, I need my. What do I? Power supply. Okay. Stuff here. So fucking shit. Lot of fire. Like mine. With these. Alright. So. It's always everything is very dirty. Goddamn. The fuck is. Put this to the side. So I'm actually just going to blank the end. Let's see how. And this is a joke, right? No fuck with them. Oopsie. Catapult. And this much will be enough. Alright, I do have this thingy. I need to. Maybe I will just make the command a bit higher. Hopefully, it will not fall down. Or it doesn't. Right. So. Need to somehow blank the wire from the end of this somehow, you know, like so. Right, and the other wire as well. Okay, pretty solid. So how was it? The brown should have been the brown. And how the fuck are we going to do this? I think I will go and do this like so. And then I will twist him a bit. Oh, very well. A bit. Alright, let's hope that the Millennium Falcon is working. He's not the most trustworthy, but I think he's working, just the LED is fucked. because I can feel the yeah, he's working in just the ready spot. Come on, man. Oopsie doopsie. When the wire is thin, because this works that oopsie. Is this a fuck you! Fuck the whole thing. Alright, you bitch. Alright, you really want this? Fine for me. Fuck off. Piece of shit. Garbage. Alright, it's not that bad. This shit needs to be replaced because the wire fucking melt. I think so. It's just like piss shit right now. I have to unleash. I guess then I will have to fucking repair this shit as well. Very well, I can't even get it out. Is this still hot? Doesn't have anything. Right? I think it's cooled down. Bitch, come out. This is a very annoying piece of shit. You fucking cunt. Fine. Alright. Then we start with the repair of this shit. And we have to find some fucking wires. Fucking hell. Well, I guess I'll use this from the other tool, which is this, which is a, I don't know what using this anyways. Very well. How long do I need? I guess probably the solid wires come off. Good. a bit more. What's up? Maybe is it the issue because of the it's not that bad. Alright. I'm gonna put the... Is this shit long enough? Oh, no music. Alright. Not this one, I think. I'll go with this. Oh, I think this is not going to work, will it? Yeah, because this is not copyright. Oh, fuck. Let's go with the... let's go with this. Classic. Alright. I think this will be long enough. The last thing. Hope this will be long enough. If I can. Like this.
I grab a drink at the bar and pop into the club bathroom. Orbiting the dance floor, waiting for that moment. And when it clicks, sound begins to
over here.
in my body. It's overwhelming, but I'm not afraid.
A bit too much. No. Should be for now.
It's like possession, and I transform. The dance floor pulls me in, and I surrender. Sensations, the air around me feels electric. I let go, and my body takes control. And my body takes control. I let go, and my body takes control. When I'm dancing, it's like the crowd has this hypnotic pull, and I can't tear myself away. Everything else falls away. And there is only this moment. It feels so right. I feel so right.
I think it will be fine. Let's see. Let's see. Works. Alright. let's do this, shall we? Again. So, we had this brown fuckery. The red one. Joke in it. Nothing is good for a fucking single minute, isn't it? Alright, fine. Honestly, just a very shit bad joke. It's just a fucking bad joke, honestly. Utter shit. This looks disgusting. Wow. Oh, see. It's plastic. This looks terrible, honestly. I don't care this way probably. Ugly as shit, but I don't care. honestly just pay someone to fucking hold this. Yeah, we need that fucking thing. There are these arms that can hold the pieces that you want to solder actually. That is so fucking valuable right now, honestly. This is honestly just so shit. For fuck's sake! What is this fucking joke? It looks shit as fuck. This is just a fucking bad shit. Bad fucking joke. Would have made it game better if I just fucking put some, I don't know, we're not able to fucking heat shrink this shit. Can't even put the fucking heat shrink on it. Everything is so fucking dusty as well. Getting pissed off. I don't. Is this? I don't care about this. Right, fine. Fine. How the fuck do we pull this? I mean, yeah, this does fit, but the other doesn't. Oh my god, no, I have to fucking. Oh fuck. Yeah, I should have pulled it on. Great. Have to untangle the whole fucking thing. I don't know. So, yeah. So, how long this should be? I think something like this. Let's go with this size. Please go on to the fucking thing. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh yeah. Maybe this was a bit too much. I guess I don't mind it. Let's go. Okay. Will do. The other one is quite not good, I'd say. And this looks terrible. This looks terrible, man. How the fuck am I going to do this? Put the fucking solder shit on it. Maybe it will go like this. If I take this fucker off, maybe I can. Please. Oh, fuck you, bitch. is a goddamn piece of shit. Utter fucking misery. I will assume that I will not be able to pull the fucking thing on it. Please, for the love of fucking God! I will not be able to pull this shit on. Oh, of course not. You fucking scumbag piece of shit. Fuck you, honestly. Is this a fucking... This must be a fucking joke, isn't it? Well, get the fuck out, piece of shit. This is just so fucking annoying. Great! Great! No, 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 you fucking piece of garbage. Stay there, stay there. Alright. This is so much harder than it's supposed to be. And this shit will not go very quick. It just barely won, for fuck's sake, and I don't have a bigger one than this. Bitch, you. Oh. You bitch. Fuck off. Fucking enraging. Shit as well, man. Then fuck yourself.
Tonight, I don't feel like keeping quiet. I want to dance and close my eyes, detach myself from reality. Tonight, I escape from all expectation and cast off formality. Tonight,
Fuck
I'm
off,
selfish.
Johnny. Fuck you. Fuck you, honestly. Scumbag piece of shit. Go into the fucking thing, you retard. Oh, oh my fucking god. Go on to the thing, you bitch ass. Fuck you. Here's this solder. I'm gonna cut it here. Oh, my back is. Is this a fucking joke? Fine, for fuck's sake. Put on the fucking. Hopefully it will contact the electricity as well, not just look nice. Let's blind the other end. Just shoot out one, just need it. Alright. Hello. I'm actually wiring or making and finishing the
Do you want to keep
soldering,
worrying about tomorrow?
and now I will crimp the end wire of the.
Do you really want to
This
miss
will be
this
the
moment?
pumps power supply cable with this
I'm
little
selfish.
automotive connector. Now I will just crimp on some I don't know what connector. We'll show some of the build if I don't get a stroke till then. Hope this shit will be fine. Alright, let's crimp. Fine. Please go on it. right, these wires look noise. So what we are going to do is that I will maybe shift the camera a bit, so I will have to test the maybe I will do it so that you are able to see the color. Really fucking hard. Back camera. Hope this great influences is fucking fly down. Something I can understand or something. So, see, this is the back. This is a bit heavy.
I'm pretty, I'm snappy, I'm seductive and catty, transgressive, compulsive, stubborn and impulsive.
Okay, so what I will do now is this is the wire. First I will measure it with the multimeter that there is on a connection. I'm just going to talk about this setup. Check for continuity. So that we have the black one. Alright, that's good. The other one. Right, power is still done. So what we are, should be able to do is that we should be able to plug it to it, and then it will be, and then can drag it. And this is what I will fucking plan for account for. How the fuck are we? Basically, I take the wires here and so I think those are wires is the red one, so this is power, and the further wire is the minus, which should be the black one, and minus. I hope this shit goes into this little terminal block. These are not always so fucking annoying. Sorry, my head is in the way. This is just fucking, yeah, straight up. Oh my fucking god, are you fucking kidding me? No? Alright, fine. Then we will be, sorry, broken the things. So, try my best to get this shit out of the way so that I can work here. Please, for the love of fucking God, go into the damn terminal. I want to smash these little shit terminals because they do not fucking. Is this a joke? Like, really? Like, seriously? What have you done? So basically what the whole thing is done is that it controls the drawer as well as the pump, but I'm actually scrambling to hook up right now. It's going to be the pump's pump power cable, but I can't fucking get it into the 3-channel terminal. What a good choice. But I don't think this one is still on. We'll hope I've got like 20 fucking things out. So basically the whole board is to control the apparatus of the burner, which are the pump that carries the fuel to the burner and the fucking blower that carries the air for the burner. But as we might be able to see that this shit is not going to fucking change. Wait, that the fucking red one is too big. Then what do we need? The blue one, no. The black one smaller than the red one. Afraid of it. So basically, red one is the good. At least like you could fucking vote which one is which. Oh, hello. Okay. So the really red one is 18. Yeah, the black one is smaller than it. Or is it fuck? The blue one is smaller. I think it's the grey. See? I think it's the grey. The white and the grey, because this fucking dog shit AVG goes to be smaller. So red is bigger, so either the white or the grey one. Let's see. Either the white or the grey one. These are very small, by the way. I don't think this is gonna go for this. Maybe I will cut the pitch a bit. Maybe I'll try to do something there. We'll try last time. You can stand it up. Not even with fox. Not even with fucking fox. Let's try this one more time. So this will give up and try this. Right, then cut the bitch and move on. Cut the bitch and right, I would have expected this, honestly. Pick up. I'm interested to see how small this one is. I mean, this supposed not to be too in the red one, to the left which one is the black one, the smaller one and the bigger one. Or what is it? Fuck, this is not the black one, this is the... Is this? Need the grey one for fuck's sake. Need the grey one. The grey one's there. Is this yours? Or not? Okay. Let's see. Hopefully the blue one goes onto this bitch. Cautious. Yep. It does not want to go on. Oh, actually it does want to go on. Just come on. So I'm actually struggling to put on these little dummies like this virus. Maybe we'll just maybe pull it out or something. Take a few virus out because it's just a pain in the ass, honestly. Fucking virus going to kill me for this paper. Let's have this thing again to the most interesting. Like that. Basically, I am getting things ready for the tomorrow test, which is going to be for tomorrow, because I don't really know when I'm going to be able to test this fucking burner. But I know that I will be able to test someday. think this is too thick. Oh, come on, for fuck's sake. I can't fucking believe this little bitch really fucking brings all this shit so I can turn this fucking around so I can get better angle. And we have to replace these sliders as well. How is this? I'm kinda shocked that this page doesn't go in. What goes into this shit then? Fuck me. This grey shit doesn't go in? Yeah, the grey shit goes in. The red doesn't. Great, but this grey shit is so thin with my, my spit is, what, I don't know, what, my your finger is thinner, thicker than that. Maybe I will need to solder it, but then that's not going to be jack shit. Red jack shit, I mean. Maybe if I just put it onto it, how much does it go in? How much does go into the fluid? How much doesn't? Honestly, I don't know. Maybe an ounce is too much for this? Maybe the virus won't do it. I mean, they tell me not to heat up when I do so, yes. The love of fucking God, do it want to be. Great. Nah. Great, it went to the fucking, it went onto this one. Where is it? Garbage. Where is it? Right, for fuck's sake. Please go into the bitch ass thing. Not 10 what the fuck is this? To the fucking permanently. It's so fucking Another bitch. Fucking around this little paper. Weird to make. Oh, it's fine. Actually, I'm this is necessary. You can say what this and you not address and go and do something different than putting the water and you can go click off and do whatever you want and basically so to speak and found it and because I literally found it and I don't cut that. Okay. Maybe. Honestly, easy to see okay. Something other than this. Actually, I was thinking that I would just hop on to some side projects which would be basically just hoping, but it's not productive and I was thinking about that. So I will do that. Wrap them up. Technically, it has to fucking wrap them up, but that is the system has to do instability. So technically this should be okay. This is supposed to be the coaster one. This is the power. This is power. Nothing this time. I mean, how to fucking solder and hook up the thing really fast. My pathetic is just yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna be more skilled in it, but this is just not making it easy either. So I wouldn't say it's all about bad and terminal. Now we have the switch output. So if you have the patience, then I'll talk a bit about the system. So what we can see here is a big cluster, but we don't need to worry about a lot of wires here. But the main part of the build is this. This is the board, this is the STM32, which is kind of like an Arduino or an ESP32. We control everything basically. Not this is just a random board here. So basically we have two MOSFETs that are controlled by PWM, and the STM32 can basically control the blower and the pump via these two outputs. This will be probably updated to something like this as well. So both of them can be simultaneously adjusted from 0 to 100% and basically with 1% resolution. And what that means is that if I want to set the blower to 30%, then I type in P30, and then the blower is set to 30% duty. And that will be basically pumping 30% of its air via this hook and this line here. Basically this is the blower, this is the blower with this line. Basically we will pump the air through this tube to the burner. And what it does is that basically via the other line, which is this, which is the pump, which will provide the fuel for the burner, we can adjust the burner basically, the fuel and the air. And as well as the other thing, which is the third thing, which is, I mean there is I think 4 or 5, yeah 5 meters, because we have this, which is an adjustable screw. This is a compressor thing. Basically you hook the compressor here via this connector thingy, and then basically you adjust the air via this screw here. This will be automated, and I will be able to hook a servo, or not a servo, a stepper motor right here that will be basically able to control the whole thing. And with this you basically adjust the air that goes into the burners. I call it the oil gun, which basically just atomizes the oil or the media that you want to burn. It could be veggie oil, motor oil, it could be diesel or kerosene, whatever the fuck you want. And if it can burn, then it will burn on with this basically, meaning that you have the oil gun here, and I have made videos about that. You can find it on the channel with the blower test or the burner test. Basically the oil gun is here, you provide air and you provide the fuel, and you pump the fuel with the PWM, duty percent, which I have already measured out how much fuel actually pushes to the line. And then I set some targets, and probably I'm not gonna lie, I have no fucking clue what are the percentages and the rates. I will have to figure it out with the first test roughly. I will know how much fuel I will pump via PWM. So let's say with 5%, 10% PWM, I know that I pump X grams per second of fuel, and to that I will be able to have some estimates on how much air, and I basically know how much air I put in via PWM with the blower. So at 40% I know that I put in Y amount of air, and basically with the two I can sort of estimate how much do I need to set the first things, and of course I will need to refine from that. So I will need to still adjust a bit so that I will have a more thorough estimation of the whole system that I currently have. So basically now I just adjusted the whole thing. Tomorrow I will come back with another stream. I didn't have time today because I have actually just I can switch to the face cam. just set this up. Alright. And going the camera up. So hello. Basically today I was able to make this new update, which is going to be fine. I found this automatic connector in the, not in the track, but you know, laying around in the other places. So tomorrow I will be, tomorrow I will adjust the code. I mean, I can show you. I have the my both head here, but also this this other thing, which is, I'm just going to pull this over. So just gonna show, I mean, if you are curious, then I will launch the IDE. Basically this is, I mean, I can make myself a bit smaller here. Where am I? Here. And oh sorry, I didn't reply. Fuck. Yeah, rude as fuck. I'm a bitch. Whatever. So for the people who watch this back, maybe we will not look at this, but actually will the ID launch? I mean, yeah, sort of. Yeah, I should have opened this chat. For some reason I didn't. This would be so much better because I would be able to see the fucking thing, right? I would be able to see the stream. And guys would, guys said hello and I didn't reply. What a rude motherfucker I am, actually. So whatever. So we can show the thing, which is this, which is the code, which will be put on to the STM32, and with that we'll be able to what am I doing? Actually, I will switch to the fuck off. Right. So what I will do is that I will upload the code to the STM32, and then I mean, probably write some more functions into the bitch. Then tomorrow I will hook him up with the PC, upload the code, test it with the pressure sensor, and basically be able to read the pressure data. It's a bit nuanced, so you don't just read the pressure sensor, but you actually read the pressure sensor, you make a median or like a median from them, and then you look at dt per dt, which is basically just you look at how much deviance that there is between the two simultaneous readings, and if there is like a big fucking jump from, like you have here like a 5, let's say a 5 unit, and here there is a jump of 50 units, then this data will not be read and it will be rejected and it will be thrown to the trash. This is very useful if you want to do PID later, which is basically just an automation that it has, whatever, I will probably talk about it in the future, proportional derivative and integrative terms that basically adjust the, if you have a system that has an input and an output, and basically the system has like a function that represents it, how it responds to changes in terms of external things, basically when I don't know, you have a heater and you start ramping up the voltage, or maybe you just put 1 as like the thing that you turn on the heater, and when you have like a room, your room will not just linearly go up with temp, it will have like a delay, and then it will, I mean, it will have a delay, and then it will start to go up, and then it overshoot, then it go down, and then that will be your basically your functional, and you can basically create models from your room or with ourselves with the burner, and basically with everything with PID. Basically you can everything code, like use PID is the most well-known and used controlling system. And if you have an estimation or like a model of the system, then you can basically not just estimate, but you will know how much you need to put in to get the result that you want. And that's the beauty of PID in short terms. So that's it for today. We'll continue tomorrow, and thanks for everybody who looks this back. Thank you for watching. Do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. So Mace Ringer is out again. So